Algebra Semester Review Part 3. We're at sections 2.2 to 2.4. Jessica received a $43 online gift card from her grandmother for her birthday. She will use it to download songs for $1.50 each. Generate the first 5 terms of this pattern. Okay, so these numbers aren't realistic in real life. We know we can't get a gift card exactly that much, and we know songs are not usually that expensive, but we're going to work with it and see what we come up with. So we have the number of songs downloaded and the amount of money left on the card. So we're going to get the first 5 terms. Well, if she buys no songs, she still has the full value of the card, which is $43. Okay? If she buys one song, it's going to be 43 minus $1.50. So let's put that in the calculator. We'll have $41.50. If she buys another song, it's going to be minus $1.50 again, which gives us $40. Another song minus $1.50 again, $38.50. And a fourth song, same pattern, we're down to $37. Okay? Now let's come up with the rule to figure out any amount of money she'd have given X number of songs were downloaded, right? So this is going to be our X, and this value is going to be our Y. So basically, Y, meaning the amount of money left, we'll put that here as a little reminder of what that means. What is it equal to? Okay, we're thinking in terms, at this point in the year, you can think of in terms of Y equals MX plus B, right? B is our starting value, and what did we start with? We started with $43, right? M is our over and over number. What's happening over and over? She's purchasing songs. So the $1.50 is the M. And we already mentioned X is the number of songs she chooses to buy. Now, you can put $1.50, or you don't have to put the 0 in the equation. It's either way. Now, one thing you have to keep in mind is she starts with positive money, right, in her gift card, but she's spending the money each time. So this needs to be minus $1.50. For every song she buys, she's taking away the $1.50. And then that total of songs she bought times that gets subtracted from this. Okay? After how many songs will Jessica have only $2.50 left in her gift card? So the easiest way to do this is to graph it and go to the table. I want to remind you how to do this. This is my Y. I'm going to put negative 1.5x plus 43. Negative 1.5x plus 43. There we go. I get my graph, which I can't even see because it's actually 43 is way up here and it's going like this, right? It's off the screen, but I'm not scared of that. I'm going to the table by pushing Control T. I get my table. This has all the values we just got by hand. We have 0, 43, 1, 41.50, 2, 40, etc., etc. So what we're going to do, we're just going to scroll down the Y column until we get to $2.50. The thing that you want to understand when to get these right, you need to know which of these is X and which is Y. Songs is X. That tells us we're looking for the X value. That's what we need to find out. 250 is Y. That tells us we're looking for the $2.50 in the right-hand column. Okay, so we're scrolling down a long ways. There's $2.50. She bought 27 songs to have only $2.50 left. So after buying 27 songs, that is what she has left. Okay? To answer the next question, we already have the information we need in the calculator. How much money is left after downloading 14 songs? Again, this time they're giving you the X value, and they're asking you for the Y value. So we're looking for the 14 this time on the left-hand side. After she bought 14 songs, she has $22 left. The common mistake on these is people trying to look for the number on the wrong side. That's the mistake. Okay, you could find, oftentimes, you could find the same number on the other side, but you're looking at the wrong column. You're looking at money, for instance, when you really need to have songs. So they're giving you songs. Okay, so you're looking on the left-hand side, and you found the $22 on the right-hand side. Next page. The square tiles below are arranged to show a pattern. Okay, so we have stage 1, 2, 3. Write the pattern rule that will give the number of blocks for the nth stage, meaning any stage, or for our purposes, for the X stage. We think in terms of X and Y more now these days, right? So how many blocks did we start with? Well, we don't have a stage 0. Stage 0 tells us our B number in the Y equals mx plus B equation. Let's figure out how much we're adding, and that will tell us how much to subtract to get to our B number. So here I have 3. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I'm adding 2 each time. If I subtract 2, I get to my starting block, 1 block. That tells me my starting value is 1. Okay? So it's Y equals something X plus 1. Okay? And we also know what the something X is. We know that we're adding 2 each time. That's my over and over number. I'm adding 2 every time. So Y equals 2X plus 1 is my pattern. How many blocks will there be at the 15th stage? I'm going to go ahead and put this in the calculator. I'm going to go to my graph, type in 2x plus 1. I get that. I'm going to go ahead and go Control T. This is my stage. This is my number of blocks. Okay? So let's go to the 15th stage. 15th stage. The 15th stage, I have 31 blocks. One more and we'll be done for this video. Which stage should contain 61 blocks? This is the blocks column. So I go to the blocks, look for 61. There it was. That is stage 30. And that's how you do that.